Okay guys, so I managed to find the ring lights, yeah, but I found them at a different place, and they have two. They have this one and they have like a bigger one, so I don't know what to do. I do like this one though, but then I like this one. I don't want to show you guys, but yeah. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm done. I got my ring light. Guys, my friend is so annoying. Have you? So guys, currently I'm in Hatfield and now I'm on my way to VLOGMAS. As you guys can see, so guys, I think this was the store that Aki was talking about, which is like I must come get my ring light, but then I ended up buying it in town. But let's.
Never thought I'd be alone, but it doesn't feel so bad yet. Wasn't in it, it wasn't right, but you're still way on my mind, and I'm making it a habit. Reaching out to you.
Thing is, I get the point. They wanna say hi, babe.
Hi.
How you doing?
It's been so long.
I know, Chomi san. Chomi, what's happening?
Next year.
Chomi, no, next rat, next go.
Next year.
Please,
Like
please,
before
guys.
even next year. Like soon. Like maybe March, because I'm school in Feb.
Let's have the photo pop.
I'm gonna get my school in Feb.
Yeah.
So maybe
See how it looks. Okay, so guys, this is, I don't know, I think this is the white
that's
one.
for your phone.
Yeah.
Yes, stretch.
Yes, Raj. Okay. Right, and then I'm taking it down. This is the orange. Do you guys see? Jimmy.
Wish I could have knew everything I did, 'cause I'm reliving it. You keep moving forward.
No, I was gonna drink. Can you please go buy something to drink?
This girl. I'm hungry. You know, I want alcohol. How does that feel like? When I'm bored, you haven't seen it so long.
Oh my gosh, guys. And what's like I was or something. Swear. Wait, because you got late. Chilano come thing. Woko moms. Jomi. Mom. What?
For me,
Yeah, give me a job.
good job.
A single. I light skinned yan. Oh, because I remember Jabba some put up to then likes me or whatever, but then that was back then. Facebook.
Who doesn't know this guy?
Okay.
Doesn't. Guys, why like a crusty man?
But I was telling her that it's not bad crusty. Like
It is, but I'm
it's just like you don't have a wig on or one or you pack them for a wig.
they've been on for like 3 months. Like,
I'm sure how
yeah, nah, but my hair is long now. Like, it's super long.
like longer than mine.
Yeah.
Crazy. Because yours, the last time I saw yours was like almost this length.
Nah, my hair is long.
Okay. She's not even answering her phone. How do you do that? Guys, how do you guys feel about that shit now? Like, I say man. Okay guys, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Let me just try to call my mom as well.
And I keep on looping, telling you we're over, but what was I doing? Those words that I said to you then, can't get them out of
Okay. But that's weird. They shouldn't say any 2 classics. Oh, but for but it does say for each. We can buy 2 medium.
Just give you 50, so you're 100 rand.
Yeah. So you are gonna need. So I'm fine. So I bought the salmon California rolls, and she bought a crab and a prawn. And your girl is putting salt inside.
Because I like some good tasty food.
Can we please taste first before you put the salt? What if you like without the salt?
I know this is crab steak. Let me taste this first. Okay, but I can't hold this. Hey. Let them try.
Chomi, I'm hurt.
I genuinely feel sick.
Chomi, I'm hurt because now I thought you were gonna enjoy it, and we took prawn and we took crab.
Chomi, I don't know.
It's the salt.
Chomi, it's not. I'm not eating anything.
Look at the salt, yeah.
I'm not eating anything without salt, ne. I think it's not bad, ne. It doesn't taste bad, but it's making me sick. Like, it's just making me sick. Like, it doesn't taste bad.
Yeah.
I feel sick.
Okay.
I just want to die. I should have bought McDonald's.
Chomi, I agree with you. The thing is, you wanted to try it out. You could have actually just bought 4, ne?
Stop.
You keep moving forward, and I keep on looping, I keep on looping, I keep on looping.
So guys, we ended up coming to McDonald's because this girl,
Same. Yeah.
she couldn't. Yo,
Finally.
real food. Shim, should I take your picture? You look cute. I'm with your face. She's just up all cute or whatever.
If you want alcohol, I want to wait
it.
until
No.
go by yourself. Well, it's a vibe, hey? But it's cold, hey?
Yeah, it is cold, Shane. But at least it's in a car, it's not outside.